everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be my nighttime skincare routine. So as promised in the last video, if you haven't seen that one, please go and check that one out. Let's get started. So the first step that I will be doing obviously is to take my makeup off. I'll be showing you something that I really like, which is a face halo. This one is just a makeup remover cloth, like a pad that you just run it under the water and it takes away all your makeup without any makeup remover. So that is really good to not waste wipes, and again, environmental friendly, and it's reusable. Just pop it in your washing machine and it's good to go. It takes away most of the makeup. To remove the remaining makeup, I will use Clinique Take the Day Off Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. I like to double cleanse. Double cleanse means using makeup remover, cleanser, balm, something to take your makeup off, and then using a face wash. It's just more effective way to make sure that nothing is left on your skin. And this one is Drunk Elephant. It's the makeup melting butter. It's just taking that and massaging on your skin, and then using face halo and removing the balm off. Alright, next, nighttime I like to use Clarisonic. I use the Foreo in the morning. So I've popped this cleanser, Skin Institute, and then you just press it and circular motions, and then using a wet washcloth we just take everything off. Pat it dry. So after I wash my face, clean it, I have started recently using this device from Vanity Planet, and this is like a hot and cold wand, and it's on hot mode. So what it does, it opens up your pores. If you press the button again, it has sonic vibration, then you can follow with your products. At nighttime I like to use a serum. This is again from Skin Institute. That's it, and then let this sink in. I will apply my eye cream. At night I like to use a retinol eye cream. This one is First Aid Beauty, and with the ring finger just put a layer underneath. And I like to use a Foreo Iris eye massager. It rotates. If you just pop that under your eyes, it massages. Let the product absorb way better. This one is very relaxing too. I have a few products that I rotate, so it's one product every night. So this I recently started because I had been using some other retinol. Retinol is, by the way, vitamin E. It is anti-aging and it helps cell turnover, so it helps the aging process happen naturally. I would apply that one, just one pump, couple of times a week. You would start with once a week and then you'll build it up slowly, see how your skin reacts. Other one that I like to use is the famous Luna oil by Sunday Riley. So this one, it's like a holy grail retinol out there. I started with this one. Third one, which I recently started, this is called Buffet. This is with copper peptides, and follow it with marula oil. Really good Lux oil, very moisturizing. I was using another marula oil from Drunk Elephant. That one is great too. So these are the three products that I have been alternating, followed by marula oil. So today I want to use Luna oil. Just a couple of drops on your hand. I like to use a couple of tools to absorb my oil better and give myself a little bit of massage. After a long day, it's just a relaxing therapy. We'll be going back to this device by Vanity Planet. So it's on the cold mode. It's gonna close the pores. That just seals everything in. And after that, sometimes I like to use guasa. It's a jade stone, and this one just helps in lymphatic drainage. Just use it this way, upwards, and then drain. That is another roller which has got like teeny tiny needles. It doesn't hurt, making your skin appear better. Another one will be this one, and this one, that's a roller. It again helps the skincare penetrate better and also takes away any puffiness and relaxes your skin and jaw muscles, and it boosts blood circulation. This one comes with a tiny stone for your eyes, similar to the rose quartz that I used in the morning ritual. That one is normally kept in my fridge, so I can grab it in the morning to get rid of any puffiness under the eyes. So you don't have to get these, but you know, even if you want to get one of these, that's gonna still do the same thing. It's just that I love grabbing these sort of little tools for my skincare. To give you all a recap and put everything together again for the nighttime routine, I like to double cleanse, and then after that I apply my serum, my oil, eye cream, and then I follow it up with the tools that I use, and then I'm good to go to bed. And then I also like to use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It just makes your lips soft, moisturized, kissable. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine, and hope you find it helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, and in the next video I will be talking about the weekly skin treatments and all the gadgets that I use, which you can do all by yourself, just in few easy steps at the comfort of your own home. And please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until the next video, stay safe, take care, bye bye. So that's it for my nighttime skincare. So until then, and do not forget and play.